We're going to be, if we get out on the road and hold them back in the park. Yeah. We'll go back. We'll cross over. Don't let these sit on the...
Green armband, go with him, see if you can get the bomb. Oh shit. Keep him covered.
Timmy, he said 2 young lads, right?
Yep.
Get 2 more young lads, scour this whole fucking area. We'll hold this side of the road. Once we're sure it's not here, we'll push over.
There's a little bunch of young lads down there.
His head!
Oh, that's alright.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. You're supposed to hold it up there, kid. What? You're supposed to hold it up there. Alright. 20, 30. Okay. 21, the goose. Bang, bang! Guys, stand and hold your thing. 1, 2. You have to hold it up there so someone can get it. What? You have to hold it up so someone can get it. Untie it from your gun. Set.
The reason why they don't have to stand still is they have the green band on, they have infinite lives, alright?
What? Oh, right.
They have a green band on, they have infinite lives, so they can just go back.
Yeah, what's this about now? Hang on, they're saying we have to go back to base now.
If you're not what you call it, if one of your teammates doesn't, or if you're not picked up by one of them, sorry, you have to go back to base after 30 seconds.
I didn't hear that one.
Alright?
I've got 5. Fuck. There can be a run again. Let's go get that bastard. Sorry, let's go get that individual. Edit the bastard.
Twice, Tony. Smooth.
See you, Mark. And Paddy. Got him in the helmet.
Good shot.
I'm going, you're going back to base.
Red and blue. Go over top.
There, but now, they're going to be hot. They're not hitting, no?
I know.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
You can see he's right there. There's a guy standing up right there. He's using your side, but he's aiming at him. You go there, I'll go here. But I can't see him. He's just out there. He's got two toes.
Oh, I see. He's in the blue hoodie, yeah.
Oh, there's a guy there with no cover there. Go get him. Grab him. Take the guy in the blue hoodie. Go behind that tree, Michael.
You're hit, bud. You're hit, you got hit.
He's alright for 30 seconds. 1, 5, 6, 7,
You're hit, bud. You're hit, bud.
1.
Yeah.
Tommy! Spread Joe with this guy, he's here. Go back.
Are they coming? Are they coming now?
3. Go!
That way, right.
Fuck this!
How's that? Where are they? We can't see them. Use what you got, then go back. I can't see anyone. Where is it? Wait, oh, don't. Right, I'm out of ammo. Right, come on, we got you. I'm out of ammo, man.
Yes.
You get him?
Yeah.
Right, Greg, move, we're moving.
Put up your hand, just put up your hand and go back and go back to the car, reload and come back then, alright?
We're all bunched up. Right, hook it. I'll get the first. Cover me.
Right.
Ready? On 3. 3, 2, 1, go!
Tactical reload!
Let's go get that bastard. Sorry, let's go get that individual. Edit the bastard. They're fucking there, they can see you. Open your eyes.